Ready to turn your opinions into cash? Here are the top 5 platforms to earn money online through surveys. First, the titan of the survey world, Swagbucks. Simply sign up, start answering surveys, and earn points to redeem for cash or gift cards. Next up, we have Vindale Research. This platform pays you directly in cash, not points. It's straightforward and lucrative. The third platform is Inbox Dollars. Much like Swagbucks, you'll earn points for each survey, which can then be exchanged for real dollars. Our fourth platform, Survey Junkie, prides itself on its simplicity. Answer surveys, earn points, and cash out. Finally, we have MyPoints. Not only can you take surveys here, but you can also earn points for shopping online. Remember, consistency is key. Answer surveys regularly and watch your earnings grow. Loop this short for a quick reminder of these top 5 platforms. Make your opinions count and start earning today.